Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hi, so over here we're given the following diagram in which we're going to have three charges that are going to be collinear with each other, and we are told that the distance in between all of them is going to be the same. So, employing this information, what we want to know is which one is going to be the most negative on the forces that Q1 is going to feel with respect to Q2 and Q3 with the following combination of charges. So in this case, it really doesn't matter the units. The only thing that is going to occur over here is that they're going to have different values as being positive, negative, or and combinations thereof. So I'm going to label each of the diagrams corresponding to condition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And in order to do so, we're going to draw the diagram again for all of the situations. In this case, I'm just going to focus on charge 1. So we are going to have 6 different diagrams. I'm going to take advantage of the first one just to that is already given to us to have as explanation. And now we're going to write the forces acting on each of them. So in the first case, the charge 1 is going to be positive. The charge 2 is going to be negative, and charge 3 is going to be negative. So since charge 1 and charge 2 are going to be of opposite signs, they're going to be attracted to each other. So the force on Q1 coming from Q2 is going to be, let's call this force due to charge 2. It's going to be an attraction force. Same thing is going to happen with the force due to charge 3, but the distance is going to be way smaller. This is going to be the force due to charge 3. In all of the cases, I'm going to label the forces corresponding to charges 2 and 3 on red and purple, just to avoid writing down the label of the forces every time that we draw a diagram. So now for situation 2, charge 1 is going to be positive, charge 2 is also going to be positive, but charge 3 is going to be negative. So in this case, what is going to occur is that 1 and 3 are going to have the same value for the force, but from 1 and 2, now the arrow is going to be pointing towards the left. Now for part 3, we're going to have that the charge is negative, positive, and positive. So the overall force that is going to be experimented is going to be an attraction force. And the magnitudes are going to be exactly the same as in case 1. For case 4, this is case 1, case 2, case 3, and case 4. For case 4, the charges are going to be positive, negative, and positive. So what is going to occur is that charge positive and negative are going to attract to each other. So the force corresponding due to charge 2 is going to go towards the right. Let me just add over here force due to 2, or from 2 on charge 1 is going to be in red, and force from 3 on charge 1 is going to be in purple always. And positive, they are going to repel each other from 1 and 3, and the magnitude is going to be very small. Notice that all of the purple arrows and all of the red arrows are going to have the same magnitude. Next up, we're going to have conditions 5. On 5, we're going to have all of the charges are going to be positive, 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 and positive. So what is going to occur is that they are going to repel each other, and the magnitudes are going to be the ones shown over here. A small purple arrow to the left and a large red arrow to the left. And finally, for 6, all of the charges are going to be negative. So they're again going to repel each other. And the conditions are going to be the same. So now we need to order them in increasing order by placing the most negative on the left and the most positive to the right. And in this case, the one that is going to be pointing more towards the negative side are going to be combinations 5 and 6. Both of them are going to be overlapping. So you need to put them on the same position. Notice that despite that the charges have changed, the magnitude of the forces that are going to be the same. So 5 and 6 need to be overlapped. Following that, the one that is going to be more negative is going to be condition 2. Following this, we're going to have condition 4. We're going to have attraction and a very small repulsion. And finally, 1 and 3 are going to overlap. They're going to have the same force diagram. And with that, it would be all. This should be the order that you should put all of the arrangements of charges. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.